Hi, Somi here. In today's video, I will show you how to create a cartoon of yourself and also animate it. Something like this.
Ah, that's so refreshing.
Now you can achieve this from just one picture of you. Very easy and unique. Hi creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Somi. On this channel, I show you everything you need to know about AI and tech, ranging from realistic picture edits, setting up your faceless channel, and growing in the online space. And if it's your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post new content right here on YouTube. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you for supporting the channel. And without any further ado, let us create. So first things first, we open our Gemini to create our picture. So I'll select the picture I want to convert to the cartoon. Then once our picture loads, then I'll just give it a simple prompt, turn it to sexy 3D animation with big eyes. Then I'll allow this to load. So what I created now is what I'll be using to do the other images. So I'll just save this to my device, then I'll import the same image, the one that Gemini created for us. So just be changing the prompt. So once we import the image, we put the prompt of what we want it to create, and then we generate. So this is the method you use to generate all your different images. So let me generate another one. I've selected the image. I'll paste my prompt. But now I have to write in details what I want Gemini to create for me. So I'm editing it now. Let her be inside bathroom. Splashing water on her face. Her head drawn up in a pin away from her face. So this is basically you telling Gemini exactly what you want Gemini to create for you. So here I'm going to change the room to luxurious bathroom. Then I'm going to put a close-up shot so it will get more of the face, not like the whole body. So once you are done tweaking your prompt, then you generate. We'll allow this to load. Load. Well, this is the first image we generated. The second one is loading, and this is how we'll continue doing for every other images before going ahead to animate. This image is ready. This is nice, not bad at all. This is not bad at all. This is exactly what I want, a close-up shot. So I'll go ahead and save this to my device. So now I've created all the other images off camera, so we'll save time. This is everything that I wanted. Once I upload my image, I put the prompt and generate. So I'll go ahead to save all these images to my device in case I skipped anyone before now. So I'm saving everything. So I'm saving everything. So our image is ready. We are going to go to the next step. To animate this, we'll be using Google Labs Flow. So you just type in your Google Labs Flow. This is how the interface is. Once this is done, if it's your first time using Google Labs Flow, you need to sign up with your Gmail, of course. So once you sign up with your Gmail, it will get you here. Then you click on new project. So if you click on new project, then you click here and upload your image. But then these settings are important. You need to put it in ×1 to save credit. Then the aspect ratio will be 9:16 because you're working with a portrait video. What's next? Then you select video because it's video you are creating. Once this is done, you now upload your image. Yeah, this is everything. This is all our image. So it's time to animate it. This takes a little time to load. So as it's loading, we are going to input our prompts, what we want our character to do or what we want our character to say. So this is up to you. You can do anything you want, but so here I write, make her to just wake up, stand up from the bed, and go to the bathroom. So once you input your prompt like this, remember to always put your video in ×1 because Google Flow gives you only 50 credits per day. So if you are generating with ×2, it will be wasting your credit for you. So always put it in ×1 so it will just generate once. This takes a little time, so wait for it to generate. Our video is ready. This is what we have. This is actually lovely. So this is what you do for each of the image that you created. You upload the image on Google Flow. You input the prompt of what you want your image to do or say. So when this is done, you now have to use CapCut to join your videos together.
So refreshing.
And you will have something like this. So basically this is how to create this kind of video.
I guess you could say you broke my heart.
If you enjoyed this, kindly subscribe to me, like, share, and drop me a really nice comment. See you in my next one. Bye.